everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Hypic on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Hypic app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside, you will see the main dashboard. Here you can choose to edit photo, create a template, or explore ready-made design. Tap Edit Photo to start with any picture from your gallery. After selecting a photo, you will see editing tools like crop, exhaust, filters, text, stickers, blur, and background removal. Tap any tool to use it. You can also add text or stickers by tapping the respective icons. Adjust the size, color, and position with simple swipes and pinches using your finger. If you want to save your design as a template to reuse it later, tap Save as Template, name it so you can find it in my template anytime. Once your edit are complete, tap Save or Export to save the image to your iPhone gallery. You can also share it directly to social media apps like Instagram or TikTok from Hypic. And that's it. Hypic makes photo editing template, creation, and creative effects very easy on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.